Welcome to Chandu's Kitchen. Happy Ganesha Chaturthi friends. Today we will see how to prepare Ganesha's most favorite offering, Modak. So let's get started. Ingredients: half a cup ghee, quarter spoon cardamom powder, 1 cup wheat flour, 1 cup mixed dry fruits, cashew, fig, pista, apricots, raisins, half a cup jaggery and half a cup sugar, half a cup milk. Switch on the stove, add half a cup of ghee, add finely chopped dry fruits, saute in ghee in a low flame and transfer it to a bowl. In the same frying pan, let's add 1 cup of wheat flour. Saute for about 2 minutes until you smell the aroma. Let the stove remain in low flame and keep sauteing it so that it does not get burnt. Next, let us add fried dry fruits, quarter spoon cardamom powder, half a cup sugar and jaggery, and mix them well. Now let us switch off the stove. The heat of wheat flour is sufficient to melt jaggery and sugar. Now let us add half cup of milk. This is optional. This simply helps in binding the flour. Now allow it to cool down until it's warm to touch. This is how a Modak mold looks like, and it's easily available in the market. You get in different shapes. I am using ghee to grease the mold. Grease the mold with little ghee. Gently apply them all over. Now let us start stuffing the dry fruits Modak dough. Stuff the dough completely until it covers the mold. Once the stuffing is done, now gently remove the Modak from mold. It looks easy, and we have got a perfect shape of Modak, and this is how it looks. Let us grease the mold once again with ghee and start stuffing it for the next Modak. And repeat the process until you're done. There are many varieties of Modak, but this Modak is a power-packed Modak filled with mixed dry fruits and wheat flour. And of course, it's tasty and healthy. Now the Modaks are ready to offer to Lord Ganesha. I have made a eco-friendly turmeric Ganesha at home. Please check the above link to view the making of Ganesha. Now our Ganesha's favorite dry fruit Modak is ready. Try this recipe at home and post your experience in the comment section. Also like this video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching and for your continued support, and also check out my other videos.